Hello everyone, presenting a phacoemulsification technique in dense PSC NS3 grade cataract by Dr. Pratik Vishwakarma from Nagpur. Initially, a clear corneal incision is being made using 2.8 mm keratome. And then injection of air, trypan blue dye, washing of dye and injection of viscoelastic substance. Two side ports are being made at 3 o'clock and 10 o'clock respectively. With the help of capsulorhexis forceps, a continuous curvilinear and round capsulorhexis is being done. Hydrodelineation is being done and hydrodissection is not done, as we are not sure whether it is posterior polar cataract or posterior subcapsular cataract. Phacoemulsification of the nucleus being started using direct chop technique with phaco power 70% and vacuum 280. Cracks in the nucleus are made without rotating the nucleus as to avoid the frictional forces over posterior capsule. The first nuclear fragment is being separated and subsequently emulsified. And then the nucleus is rotated under the viscoelastic substance with the help of dialer. Furthermore, the nucleus is divided into fragments and emulsified without rotating under the hydro. Again, the nucleus is being rotated under viscoelastic substance with the stable AC with the help of dialer. Emulsification of nucleus fragment is being continued. After completion of phacoemulsification of the nucleus, we can see a dense plaque adherent to the posterior capsule. The epinucleus is being loosened up from the different clock hours without extending posteriorly with the help of irrigation and aspiration cannula, and the layer-wise removal of remaining material is being planned. A gentle hydrodissection is being done to separate the plaque over posterior capsule, and we can see the displacement of plaque from the posterior capsule, and moreover we can see the intact posterior capsule behind. After visualizing the intact posterior capsule, we are removing epinucleus and cortical metal thoroughly with the help of irrigation and aspiration cannula. The intraocular lens is being implanted and rotated and placed in the center. washing of viscoelastic substance with the irrigation and aspiration cannula, and case is being closed with the hydro.